India's beloved street snacks are about to come with a reality check. The Ministry of Health has directed all central government institutions to install prominent oil and sugar boards that warn the citizens about the hidden fat and sugar content in everyday favorites like samosas, jalebis, vada paos and also laddus. Here's a detailed report.
What's in a giant samosa? And a jalebi? Or a small gulab jamun? I mean, who does not love barish mein pakode? Well, we all do. But now, the government wants us to think twice before we reach out for our favorite samosa or pakoda, equating these loved street foods with tobacco. The government is now calling for strong warnings on the same and for the right reasons.
समोसे का फोटो रहेगा, नीचे लिखा रहेगा कि 100 ग्राम समोसे में कितना फैट है और बाजू में एक स्टिकर रहेगा कि इससे जो फैट और ऑयल है, वो शुगर है, उससे कैसे हमारा साइड इफेक्ट बॉडी पे होता है, कैसा मोटापा आता है और मोटापे से आगे क्या होता है.
Essentially, this has become important from the point of view of handling the rise of metabolic diseases in the country, which is diabetes and obesity. And this is an extension exactly of that. The Health Ministry advising all places to do this, to display an oil board, to display a sugar board. Well, this certainly is a step in the right direction. But the elephant in the room has not been addressed. There are many other problems involving ultra-processed food. What about front of the food package labeling? That's an issue that hasn't been addressed. What about advertisements? Ultra-processed foods which are endorsed by celebrities. That again is an issue which has not been addressed, at least in this particular advisory. The advisory from the Health Ministry has asked for installation of oil boards and sugar boards, print health messages on official stationery, and promote healthy meals and physical activity. But a lot more needs to be done in this direction.
We would like to draw the attention of the government towards policy framework and regulations which actually ban advertisements and put front of the pack warning labels which are able to reduce the demand and consumption of ultra-processed food products.
India had 18 crore overweight and obese people in 2021. It's going to increase to 44.4 crore obese people in 2050. India has earned the unenviable title of the diabesity capital of the world. And this step is a good one in the direction to improve our metabolic health. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today TV.